If you're a lady, please do not sleep on this. Always make sure to do this before using your toilet or any public toilet. Now let's get down to business.
Welcome to the Naturally Gifty Vibe, trainer of thousands of smart entrepreneurs across the globe. From learning to create quality cleaning products, to building your brand, growing your business, and living your best DIY lifestyle. This is your calm corner for skills, beauty, health, and income. Welcome to the Naturally Gifty Vibe.
Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In this video today, I'll be teaching you how to make effective toilet balm that can leave your toilet spark clean and fresh. And to make this, here are all the requirements. The first ingredient you need is sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. So for this, all you have to do is get your ingredients, and also you need a measuring scale. If you don't have a measuring scale, you can tell them to give you the exact quantity while getting your ingredients. Now for the first ingredient, which is sodium bicarbonate, I'll be making use of 250 grams of sodium bicarbonate. Now for this, if you want to make in a large quantity, all you have to do is to double the measurements. So measure 250 grams of sodium bicarbonate, and after that you can go ahead and add the next ingredient. Now for the next ingredient, you need citric acid, and for the citric acid we'll be using 150 grams. So all you have to do is to combine the sodium carbonate and the citric acid and mix them together. Now just in case you're wondering why we're using these two ingredients, for the sodium bicarbonate, it helps to loosen stains, grime and mineral deposits in the toilet bowl, and also it neutralizes odor. It naturally absorbs and neutralizes bad smells, leaving the toilet fresher. And now the purpose of adding citric acid is to help create fizzing reaction. And this is to say that a mixture of sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, and a little bit of water releases carbon dioxide bubbles. And this fixing helps spread the cleaning solution. And also, citric acid is mildly acidic, so it dissolves hard water stains, rust marks, and calcium buildups. So that's the purpose of adding these two ingredients in this formulation. Now for the water, you can either use distilled water or you can use AC water. You can also use deionized water. I'll be using white vinegar because it also serves as a disinfecting agent, and that makes it perfect for this, but it's totally optional. You can do without it. Now after that, the next thing you need is tea tree essential oil. This is also a disinfecting agent, and also it will help for fragrance. It will help to add extra fragrance to this, but you can also choose to add an additional fragrance if you want. Now go on and add color, which is totally optional. Adding color is optional, so you can just add your color. Go ahead and mix it up well with your hands. Now something happened. Please, when making your toilet bombs, avoid adding too much liquid like water or the fragrance. The white vinegar was a little bit much, so it got a bit sticky, so I had to add extra sodium bicarbonate and citric acid to firm it. So after that, I went ahead to mold it and then transferred it into a molder. Now for this, you can either do this with your plate. I actually had to leave this one just to show you that you can also make this and then leave it on your bowl. Then later you can bring it out and then just cut it with your knife or break with your hands. So this is the one I made with the mold, and then this is the one I left inside the bowl to just dry. Now for the drying, you're going to leave it to sit for about 3 to 6 hours to dry completely. Then you can start using. Now you can see, if you don't have a mold, it's no problem. Just leave it in the bowl and allow it to dry. Then you can just bring it out. You can just unmold it and then cut it with your knife or break with your hands, and then there you have it. If you also want to make this for commercial purpose, you can also make it. You can sell it to people around you that will have need for it. So that's it. Now this is the one I made with the mold. You can see it turned out really beautiful and I like it. Now this is not just about beauty. This is very good, especially as a lady. You need to disinfect your toilet every time, like always. So if you're a lady, this is very essential. You need to have this. So make sure to just prepare this DIY toilet bomb. Just keep it anytime you're using your toilet. Just throw it into the toilet before using to help to disinfect. And also, if you're going out, you can just take a few of it, go out before using any public toilet. You can throw this inside and then leave it for a while, flush it before using it to help to disinfect. So that's how to keep your toilet clean. Now this is me trying to test it and to show you how this will clean your toilet. You can see the bubbles, and that's it. Now I also went ahead to try it in my toilet just to show you, but at a point I really didn't want to show this part, but I had to show you. So you can see once you throw it inside the toilet, you can see the fixing, and that's exactly what you need. So you're going to leave it for like 5 minutes, and after that you can flush it, and after flushing you're going to see it that it will clean your toilet, and your toilet will smell very nice and sparkling. And like I said, this also helps to remove odor entirely. So if you have odor in your toilet, just use this. Trust me when I tell you that this will help to eliminate odor in your toilet. So friends, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Gifty and I'm super excited to welcome you here. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to watch my next video. And at the end of this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. And now to my wonderful and amazing gift team, thank you for being here and God bless you. So guys, I'll see you in my next video, but before then, stay blessed and keep loving one another. Bye.